Welcome to our quick guide on how to log into Instagram, whether you're on your mobile device or a computer. We'll cover both the mobile app and the computer browser, so you can easily access your Instagram feed. Let's start with logging in using the Instagram mobile app on your Android or iPhone. First, open the Instagram app. If you don't have it, download it from your device's app store. Then, tap Login or Sign In at the bottom of the screen. Next, enter your login details. You can use your email address, phone number, or your Instagram username. Carefully type in your password, remembering it's case sensitive, then tap Login. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you'll be prompted to enter the verification code sent to your phone or email. And just like that, you're in. You'll see your Instagram home feed, ready for you to scroll, view stories, or upload content. Now, let's look at how to log into Instagram using a computer browser. Open your preferred web browser, like Chrome or Safari, and go to www.instagram.com. On the home page, you'll see a login form. Enter your username, email, or phone number. Then, enter your password and click the Login button. If prompted, enter any verification code you receive on your phone or email for two-factor authentication. Success! Your Instagram feed will now load, and you're ready to explore. Here are a few helpful tips to keep in mind for a smooth Instagram experience. If you forget your password, simply tap Forgot Password on the login screen and follow the recovery steps. To stay signed in on your personal device, check the Remember Me box on the login screen. For security, always remember to log out from public or shared devices after using Instagram. Now you know the easy steps to log into Instagram, whether on your mobile or desktop. Enjoy connecting.